What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to focus on the razor tool inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, if you enjoy these tutorials and you want to learn more about editing, please subscribe to the channel because I'm constantly updating new videos on editing inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Now let's get started. So let's head down to the timeline, and you'll notice I've placed some videos here. I have videos associated audio. I also have a music track, and I have some random B-roll shots up here. Now I'm going to head over here to the end, just leave my playhead right there. And let's head to the toolbar, and you see the selection tool that's currently active. And we'll go down 4 to the razor tool, which you'll see keyboard shortcut is C. I'm going to click on that. And now you notice I have a little razor icon. And if I come over here, and if I hover down over the video, you'll see the line going through the video and also the audio associated with it. Notice if I click here, I'll go up here and you'll notice the cut down both of those. Do it again, click to cut. You can also move the playhead wherever you'd like it to cut. And there's kind of a magnet attached to the playhead so you can be more precise. So you can see it snap right there. So anywhere in this window right here, it'll go to the playhead exactly. So you can cut more precisely. Now that being said, if you wanted to just cut the audio or just the video, there's a keyboard shortcut for that also. You hold down Option on a Mac or Control on a PC, you'll notice the line changes. Now it's just over the audio or just the video. So let's just say we want to cut just the video, and then now we want to cut just the audio or cut just the video. Now if I let go of that again, we'll move on and it jumps back to showing both of them. So then you can cut both of them at a time. That's if you want to just cut the audio or the video. Another great keyboard shortcut here is, say you hover the playhead over here, and if you just do Command K, it'll do just a clean swipe. We'll do that again, Command K. And that's something I use quite a bit. Now one more thing I want to show you. If you wanted to cut through all of them at one time, hold down the Shift button. You'll notice the icon changes from 1 razor blade to 2 razor blades. And that you'll see will cut down every single track all the way down. So Shift, and you'll notice the double razor blade, and then you can cut. And as soon as you go back, you'll go back to the single blade. So that is the razor tool. Those are also the keyboard shortcuts to help modify the razor tool in different ways you see fit to make your editing that much faster and quicker. And I've said this before in tutorials, the sooner you can learn the keyboard shortcuts, the faster you're going to be with your edits, and you're going to be like an editing ninja just flying through your edits. Anyway, hope this helps. And if you learned something from this video, please hit the thumbs up because it'll help the YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And also please subscribe to the channel to see more future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Later.